This is Jack Turk, the mad scientist of direct response copy here in KMM Labs in my secret lair. And today's experiment number 10 is unearthing the AI mummy secret. You must dig deep to unlock this forbidden power. So, the objective, some of the most powerful abilities inside ChatGPT aren't just lying on the surface, waiting to be plucked like low hanging fruit. No, like a long buried pharaoh's tomb, they're hidden beneath layers of dust, stone, and mystery, requiring effort, toil, and perseverance to unearth. In this experiment, you'll excavate a hidden chat GPT capability that 99% of users will never unlock because they're unwilling to put in the work. Now, my instructions for this experiment are in the video description, uh, description. Make sure you check it out. So let's find out why this matters. This matters because most marketers never push ChatGPT beyond write me a sales letter or create me an email. They skim the surface, never realizing there are massive treasures to be found buried deep. But you have to dig for them. So you can be a casual tourist in the landscape of AI, or you can be an archaeologist plumbing the depths of knowledge and wisdom. This experiment forces you to break through the surface layer of AI use and uncover a skill that will permanently level up your marketing game. So, lab equipment, tools you need, ChatGPT for your plus. I think the plus is definitely worth the money. Google. Yes, you'll need to do some research, which I've already done, and we'll talk about that. But this isn't a click a button kind of experiment. You're going to have to put in a little bit of extra time, a little bit of extra work. And you'll also need to bring to the table your curiosity and willingness to get your hands dirty. Because if you quit early, the mummy's curse will get you. So the experiment, step by step. Step one, you need to enter the tomb. Now, we're not going to play on the surface. We're going to go deep into advanced AI techniques that most people ignore. You must choose one of the following lost treasures to excavate. I'm going to scroll up. Here it is. The prompt mastery scrolls learn and master chain of thought prompting to force AI to think step by step, delivering far more accurate and insightful responses. Or the artifact of infinite iteration, master recursive prompting, where AI builds upon each answer, refining and improving like a true brainstorming partner. Or the hidden formula of the ancients. Force ChatGPT to analyze, extract, or reverse engineer persuasion techniques from any high converting ad or sales page. So choose which path, which treasure you want to excavate, you want to uncover. Step two is excavate the knowledge. Now that you've chosen your treasure, your goal, start digging. So Google it. Yes, do some research. Search with these prompts: chain of thought prompting GPT, ChatGPT, recursive prompting AI, extracting persuasion techniques from ads using AI. Read what you find. Read the forum discussions. Read the articles. Read what the experts have to say. Find examples. Go through the research. Now, I've already done some research on one. I chose chain of thought prompting because I haven't gone that deep into that so far. So I wanted to try it. So once you understand your chosen AI treasure, apply it. I'm actually paste your research in ChatGPT and say, okay, I want to master this skill using what I learned. Guide me step by step to implement this technique correctly. So here's the way I'm going to play this. I'm going to start with an example of what I want ChatGPT to do. I have a new book that I need to create a marketing plan for. Here's the link to the book. Give me some ideas. That's not a bad prompt. I'm going to find my link to my killer copy playbook. There it is. The AI powered masterclass from the Masters of Direct Response. So here's the link. Let's see what it delivers. Congratulations, etc. Leverage my professional network. Given my expertise in direct response marketing, tap into an existing network. Not bad. Share insight on guest posts, podcasts, etc. Utilize social media platforms. Offer exclusive content. Collaborate with influencers. Conduct workshops or webinars. Engage with online communities. Invest in targeted advertising. Secure reviews and testimonials. Create a compelling book trailer. Engage in public speaking. None of these are bad. These are all pretty good. There's some examples. Okay, not a bad answer to that question. So we're going to try this a little different, though. We're going to go back to our prompt. So I'm going to change this. So I want to master this. So I want to master marketing. In fact, what I should do, I'm going to refresh this. We're going to start writing a new chat. That's what it gave me before. Not bad. We're going to start a new. So now I paste this in. I want to master and become an expert in marketing my new book. Where's the web? Oh, there it is. Look at that link. My new book, which is available on Amazon at the link below. To do this, I want you to guide me step by step using chain of thought techniques to come up with the very best marketing plan possible. So I have also attached links to research on chain of thought techniques as okay, so here's the book link. Here are the links to chain of thought research. And chain of thought, here's one article I thought. It's a tutorial on it. Here's another one. What is chain of thought? Using it for business. And here's another one, improving sales strategies with chain of thought. 3 different links. Now let's see what it comes up with. Step 1, define your target audience. Identify the specific groups who will benefit most from your book. Consider demographics such as age, profession, experience level, and interest. For example, your audience might include aspiring copywriters seeking to improve their skills, marketing professionals interested in AI applications, entrepreneurs looking to enhance their direct response strategies. Step 2, analyze competitor strategies. Research similar books in your niche to understand their marketing approaches. Examine their pricing and design, book descriptions, etc. Optimize your Amazon listing. Your book's Amazon page is crucial for attracting potential readers. Ensure the following elements are optimized: title and sub. Okay, leverage Amazon's marketing tools. Sponsored products, KDP Publishing Select. Build an author platform, author website, social media, email marketing. Seek reviews and testimonials, advanced copies, review copies, customer reviews. Implement content marketing strategies, blogging. Monitor and adjust your strategy. That's these chain of thought. Okay. So let's pick the first audience definition to help guide marketing strategy. step by step. Okay, let's just say using lead me through the proper chain of thought process step by step to get the very best result. Very best results for this analysis. So let's go through the chain of thought prompting step by step to deeply analyze. Establish to properly guide our thinking, let's define the key question. Who is the ideal audience for this book and what are their specific needs and desires? This will serve as a guiding thought as we work through the chain of thought process. Step 2, break the problem into logical components. We'll segment the audience discovery into 4 parts: general audience categories, demographics and psychographics, core pain points and desires, where they already exist. Generate thoughtful sub-questions for each component. By answering the following, refine and optimize our audience profile. General audience categories: who would benefit most, what professions rely on great copy, are the specific skill sets that this best serves, demographics, psychographics, etc., etc. Core pain points and desires, where they already exist. Step 4, answer each sub-question with logical reasoning. Systematically go through and answer these questions. Okay, there we go. So it's doing it. Actually, now it's doing it. So it's actually doing this. Now it's going through step 4 with sub. General audience category. They need strong sales copy. Freelancers, they want to improve their craft. Marketing professionals. Demographics. Age, likely 30 to 60. Skewing towards experienced business owners and marketers. Experience level, intermediate, advanced in business marketing, not necessarily AI savvy. They are mindset. They are direct response believers, fans of Dan Kennedy. Concerned, skeptical about AI replacing copywriters, but curious about leveraging it for efficiency. Values, results driven, respect classic marketing principles, but open to innovation. Core pain points and desires. Pain points, they struggle to write high converting copy efficiently. They don't understand how AI can be an asset, not a threat. They fear losing control of messaging. Well, I can see that. They want faster, more efficient. They want to stay competitive. Where they are exist. Emails, YouTube channels, Facebook. Into a clear audience profile, who they are. No sense me reading all this. As you can tell, apply these insights. This is extremely detailed. Offers and consider a free AI-powered sales copy template. A webinar taught how to use AI to write killer copy without losing your voice. That's not a bad title like that. I'm actually going to build that. Step 7, validate and refine the strategy. Conclusion, by using, okay. We created a detailed data-backed audience profile that directly informs your marketing efforts. So, as you can tell, by going through this experiment, by doing a bit of research up front, by actually diving deep, you can get far, far, far better results using ChatGPT's hidden treasures. Chain of thought reasoning is one. There's others to try. Go deep, learn. Hey, make sure you try this and innovate, automate, dominate.